You're spending 3 hours copying data from websites. You're manually filling the same forms over and over. You're paying $200 per month for scrapers that break every week. I didn't touch my keyboard once. This AI extension retrieves anything from the web. Just prompt it to vibe scrape data, agentically fill forms, and continuously track changes. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 killer automations that'll save you hours every week. The first one, most people stop there thinking that's impressive enough. The second one, that's when your jaw starts to drop. But the third one, that's my favorite. And honestly, it'll probably become yours too. Plus, stick around till the end. I've got an exclusive discount code and a bonus tip that'll save you even more time. Alright, head over to the link in the description and you'll land on the official website. If you just want to automate tasks inside your browser, the extension option is all you need. If you're looking to scale, like really scale, imagine having 100 AI agents running simultaneously across 100 plus cloud browsers, all working toward the same goal. That's what the cloud platform can do. And the best part? You can jump in anytime, take control, and steer things in real time. You're not just setting it and forgetting it, you're in the driver's seat. And if you're a bit more technical, you can also connect Retriever through their API or MCP. Some people even trigger it through a WhatsApp bot, which is pretty wild. But for now, I'm keeping it simple with the Chrome extension. Here's how easy it is. Click and add to Chrome. After installation, please sign in with your personal account, and you're ready to run complex workflows with simple prompting. Let's test its true power with a case study. I'm going to Amazon and searching for gaming laptops under $1,000. Now, here's where it gets interesting. I don't just want the basic info visible here on the search results. I want Retriever to click into each product page and grab the top customer review from inside each listing. That's something a normal scraper can't do. I'm describing what I want in plain English, and Retriever will figure out how to do it. For the first 5 products in search results, click into each product page, extract the product name, current price, key specifications, and the top-rated customer review. Export everything to a new Google Sheet. See what happens. It's filtering the results, navigating through all pages, extracting all the data, and creating a Google Sheet for me automatically. Manually, this would take 2 to 3 hours of opening tabs, copying, pasting, organizing. Retriever just did it in about 2 minutes. That's not a small improvement. That's a complete game changer. But here's the question. What if you need this data every single day? Like if you're tracking competitor prices or monitoring when products come back in stock, that's where scheduled monitoring comes in. I can set this exact automation to run every morning at 9 a.m., and it'll keep adding new data to the same Google Sheet automatically. If this is already blowing your mind, hit subscribe because we're just getting started, and the next 2 automations are even crazier. So Retriever just scraped and organized data automatically. But scraping is only half the story. What if it could also create content using AI, images, text, everything, and then distribute it everywhere for you? Here's my second automation, and this one's insane. I'm going to show you how Retriever can use Gemini to generate both images and text, then post that content to LinkedIn and WordPress, all in one workflow. Watch this. I'm prompting Retriever to look at this. Retriever is now inside Gemini, generating the image using Nano Banana. It's creating the post, and now it's navigating the different platforms and publishing on them. One prompt, different platforms. Original AI-generated content. Think about what just happened. Content created by AI, content posted by AI across different platforms. With your accounts, your login, no API needed. This isn't just automation. This is a complete content distribution system running from a single prompt. Okay, so Retriever can scrape data, it can create content with AI, and it can post across multiple platforms. What if other apps could control your browser? What if Claude A? I could actually write and post content to LinkedIn while you just chat with it. This is where Retriever becomes genuinely mind-blowing. Retriever can act as what's called a remote MCP server, which means other applications can remotely control your browser through it. I've connected my Retriever extension to Claude AI, and now I can prompt Claude to use the Retriever Act tool, and it will actually control my browser. Now watch what happens. I will simply enter my prompt, use the Retriever Act tool, and open LinkedIn in my browser. Write a professional LinkedIn post about AI automation trends in 2026, include 3 relevant hashtags, and post it to my feed. You can see Claude is controlling my browser right now. It has opened LinkedIn in my browser, and in the back end, it has created a professional post about AI automation trends in 2026 with 3 key trends and hashtags. And here you can see, the post has been published on my LinkedIn. Retriever found the post composer, typed the content, and published the post, all because I asked an AI chatbot in a completely different window. This is the future of browser automation. You could trigger browser actions from Slack when your team asks questions. You could build N8N workflows that actually interact with websites. You could create a custom AI assistant that researches topics and posts the findings to your social media. Now, here's a bonus tip. You can use Retriever to auto-apply for jobs. Just upload your resume into the chat, then prompt it to automatically fill out job applications for you. It's a complete game changer for job seekers. So, what are you waiting for with the Clink I described? Sign up Retriever and use my exclusive discount code, which is in description, for 50% off. For best results, make sure you use the cloud platform option so multiple browsers and agents can run in parallel, applying to jobs faster and at scale while you stay in control. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.